Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos. Welcome, CRO Army and VVS Finance. Very simple finance. What I have for you by the end of this video is updates and news. I see the prices of the two of them going all the way to the moon, and I like it. Of course, it's just a little pump, little movement upwards. So I think the small victories is what we like to enjoy the most, because when they were crashing down the last weeks, we were buying the dip. Just bought more CRO yesterday, and guess what? I'm already staking. So everything in between right now, we got even more news on VVS Finance adding tonic. So how does that work? What does that mean? Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and start with these two that, of course, share the Kronos blockchain. So to me, I'm looking forward, everybody, as this as a potential huge company that as I invest more money on crypto.com and I branch out on decentralized finance with VVS, I think it's going to be a good idea. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. To start, when it comes to the price, 60+% retracement on the Fibonacci levels. What you're seeing right now on the screen is, of course, the price pumping and coming up. Right, this is the 20th of December. Right now, we are on the 23rd of December. Now, of course, nobody of us were looking at probably having an amazing close of the year, but let me tell you, we passed 60-70%, by 60-70 cents by the end of the year. That will be amazing. Still holding my CRO, and as I told you, I bought more CRO coins yesterday, and they were at 50 or so. So of course, right now I'm making money. And guess what I did? I'm staking right now 10+% on the application. So thus far, I'm making money. How about you guys? I told you that I wanted to increase my position, and now I'm doing it. So I'm no longer gonna put my earn on CROCoin on the crypto.com app. Now it changed to the DeFi application, which is way better, and you can start with any CROCoin amount. So that is amazing, guys. Of course, when looking at the price of VVS Finance, what do we like VVS Finance? Well, is this decentralized platform for staking mining purposes that you get a lot of APY, and I've been talking about VVS Finance, and so far I like it, man. This is what we see. Of course, we don't have to be blind to the price that crashed completely. And you're seeing right now on the screen, I bought my first VVS Finance at 301. So I'm losing a little bit of money. So what I'm doing is DCN right now. I was able to buy even more. When you do the application, of course, you will be seeing some limits. So make sure you buy accordingly. So you buy enough VVS Finance. You can also trade it on the DeFi application. And there you go. I mean, you're going to be able to buy even more there from CROCoin to VVS Finance. I think that's a better way to do it, and it's cheaper from what I've heard. So once that happens, thus far we've seen the 1 day on the price of VVS Finance, it has increased about 10%. Here it is 15% percentage. So that is amazing stuff. The news. Again, you guys remember how we know the Twitter account of crypto.com is always populated by all this news engagement they like to tell the community us. Well, what I'm seeing right now on this project is exactly what's happening. Just 3 hours ago, they're like, treasure community product ideas, go to the Discord, which I'm in the Discord, and it's pretty cool. Just share what's on your mind, and I love that, everybody. Take a look at this. Stake tonic to USD liquidity pool on Crystal Farms to earn more VVS Finance. Typically, from my experience, they introduce all these new products so people get in, but you were going to see the APY decrease. The first time I was taking VVS Finance, the APY was 600 or so. Right now, it's around 520. Why does that happen? Because it is just bound to happen, of course. The less, more people, the more people we have, the less it's going to be. But in the end, it will be much more than if you were doing the traditional earn from a different company. Got it? So here it is. Tonic is now tradable. Tonic is trading now on VVS Finance with initial liquidity added to the pool. So that is fantastic. Typically, that's what a lot of people are going to do. I haven't done it yet, but later on, of course, I'll be able to check that out. When we come to the market, guys, I mean, 2.36 trillion. Bitcoin already back at 50,000, Ethereum 4,000. Loving it thus far. Where's crypto.com at this time? Position 15. So we love it. And guess what? I just checked earlier today, and Elon Mars, it's also coming up. And you know, the place that you can buy Elon right now, it's on crypto.com. So definitely the more people use crypto.com, that in a way helps. The more people use crypto.com to buy Elon, that helps, of course, crypto.com in a way, because I know where they can find it and buy it. So that's always good. Some very good ideas. Now, to take a look at the price of crypto.com, this is where I want to focus a little bit more. This is the 4-hour chart. We see that it's going to be already overbought. So if people are trading on this chart, if we go to the 1 hour, oh, yes, it's completely overbought. I'm going to use the brush right here. Take a look at these two indicators right now. Look at the volume. So people are buying right now. What I'm expecting right now is for it to start declining a little bit more to this level, Fibonacci level, and then goes on. So I like it. People are buying. People know that it's time probably to get their packs full of CRO coins. So, oh boy, we like that. That is for CRO coin. I'm going to go ahead and show you the year to date, the 1 day that I love so much. Let's go ahead and squeeze. So thus far, that pump, this little pump that we're seeing, it's great. As we see right now, 60%, about 61% retracement from the top that we had on November 24th. So I'm not expecting, of course, to completely knock it out of the park. But if we can maintain this 60 cents, 70 cents, or even 50 cents, that's the greatest gift of all, because now we know how the consolidation for crypto.com is happening. As I'm going to go ahead and start going in. Oh, actually, let me show you the arrow side. This is how the arrow side looks like. So thus far, it's still around the middle place on the arrow side, which means we got time, baby, to spare time to buy even lower, because we know based on the information we have with the tokenomics, if crypto had Binance market cap, that will be 1 CRO for more than $3. And that's eventually what's going to happen. A lot of bull people are out there saying that it's going to be bigger than Binance. I happen to agree that Binance is, of course, a juggernaut, and it will be a while, but definitely I'm buying my CRO coin right now. I'm staking them on the DeFi wallet, more than 10%. That's even more than Algorand and Cardano combined. So, of course, adding the wallet to the debit card to your wallet, using it, staking it, using all the perks. It is a company that definitely knows what it's doing. A lot of good marketing partners that we talked about, Formula 1, UFC, even basketball and more. They're going to add more than soccer when they come a ball. Oh, Lord. They know how to do things. And what you have to understand, always diversifying and doing it slowly but surely. You don't want to put all your money here, because if anything goes, everything goes to the garbage can, and our predictions fail, that usually happen because cryptocurrency does whatever they want. At least you know that you're putting some money on the side to other different projects. Now I'm very happy because I'm going to be able to fill up my crypto.com, then more VVS Finance. And guess what? I'm going to go next. I'm going to go to Helium, which is, 42. Helium is coming up pretty well. And the only place I can buy it thus far is in crypto.com. So thus far, crypto.com, for a marketplace perspective, I love it because it's allowing me to buy those cryptocurrencies that I cannot on Coinbase or Gemini. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Great news on VVS Finance. The two of them, CRO coin and VVS, coming up in price. I like it because I purchased them low, and now I'm earning the rewards by staking them. Not only just have them in your wallet, put them to work for you. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.